Good morning and assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and having a good day. Today is 11th November and today is Monday, and I am your science teacher. I am taking a science lesson, and today we have to start our new unit, that is unit number 5, gases around us. Okay, the gases around us. What does the word gases means? What is the gas? We have done in the previous lessons or the units about the matter or not. We have discussed about the matter. Who will tell me what is matter? Good. Matter is anything which has mass and it occupy space. Good. Excellent. And we have also discussed that there are the different states of the matter or not. Yes. We have discussed that there are the different states of the matter. Number 1 is solid. Number 2 is liquid. And number 3 is gas. Okay. So we can see that there are the different states of the matter: solid, liquid and gas. I think we have done about the solid and the liquid in the first term. So we have to do about the gases in this term. So the gases, before discussing the properties of the gases, I will ask some question. So you have to answer one question to me, that if is everything around us is a matter? Excellent. Everything around us is a matter. It means everything around us is whether solid, liquid or gas. And what about we human beings? What we are? We are which state of the matter? Good. We are the mixture of the 3 states of the matter. We are also the solids, liquids and the gases. In our body, the bones that are present, the nails and the teeth are solid. And if we talk about the liquid, there are the liquid solutions, not the solutions. There are the liquid substances that are present in our body. For example, the water. We are having the blood in it, we are having saliva, we are having urine in our body. Then all are the liquids. And if we talk about the gases, there are also the gases in our body that move in and out of our body. If the oxygen, when we inhale the air, the oxygen is entering into our body, and when we exhale, the carbon dioxide is removed from our body. Okay. So we are the mixture of solid, liquid and gas. Okay. Now we have to discuss, we having a quick review about the properties of the solid, liquid, so that we can understand properly about the properties of the gases. Okay. The solids. I will make a picture of solid, liquid and gas, so it will be more clear to you. Okay. This is the box of the solid, this is the box of the liquid, and this is the box of the gas, of the almost having the same size. If we see the molecules of the solid that are very tightly packed with each other, these are the molecules of the solid. Okay. They are very tightly packed with each other. So these, because of this property, the solids are very hard and very tough. Okay, just like this is a solid structure. And if we talk about the scissors, it is also a form of solid. Okay. Now, if we talk about the liquid, the molecules of the liquid is far away from each other. They are not tightly packed and also not very far away from each other, but a little bit. Okay. So the molecules of the solid having a little gap between the molecule between each other. And if we talk about the gases of the molecules are very far away from each other, and there is a lot distance between them. And if we say that the molecule, the force of attraction, molecules solid के molecules से दरमियान the force of attraction होती है ना, दो molecules आपस में कितने tightly packed है, कितनी attraction है उनके अंदर, तो solids में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, liquids में उससे कम होती है, और solid gases में बहुत ही कम होती है. So we can say that the solids have definite shape and definite volume. Okay, solids having the definite shape and the definite volume. If we talk about the liquids having the definite what shape or the volume. Liquid का shape definite होता है कि नहीं होता? If I having the liquid in a bottle, okay, if I having the liquid in the bottle, and then if I would want to pour all the liquid in the cap, so all the shape of the liquid is changed from the bottle to the cap. Okay, so we can say that the shape of the liquid is not same. We can say that the shape of the liquid is not same, but the volume is definite. Volume तो कम नहीं हुआ ना, जितने amount उसकी बॉटल में मौजूद थी पानी की, उतनी पूरी की पूरी किसमें गई है, उसके कैप में गई है, कप में गई है. So the it having the definite volume. It having the definite volume, but do not have definite shape. Okay, now it's the turn for the gases. If we talk about the gases do not having the definite shape and even do not having the definite volume. Clear? Okay, you are clear with these terms and terminologies. And now if we discuss about the examples, this is the example of the solid. As you all know, this is very hard and it can retain its shape wherever I will place it. The result is also solid. If we talk about the liquid inside the bottle, there is the liquid, whether it is water, juice, tea, anything else, that all are the types of the liquid. And if we talk about the gas is the if we talk about in our surrounding, there is the air that is present around us, and we all know that the air is a mixture of different gases. And if we talk about the different gases, and there are the different gases, for example, in the air, there are the different type of the gases that are present. That may be the carbon dioxide, there are some quantity of the there is the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. It may having the nitrogen in it, nitrogen gas, and maybe the argon and ABC, helium, argon, neon, की कुछ quantity मौजूद होती है. So we can say that the air is the mixture of different gases. सही. और इसके अलावा if I having a balloon in my hand, it means it having a gas inside it. And which type of the gas it have? हम इसको किस तरह से blow करते हैं? We can blow with the help of our mouth. It means कि हमारे मुंह से कौन सी गैस exhale होती है? Yes, that gas is carbon dioxide gas. सही. It means that the carbon dioxide is present in a balloon. And if I will if I will leave this balloon, it will move down towards the ground. It means this type of the gas is heavier and it have the ability to move down. But there are some gases which have the ability lighter than the air. Lighter means उसका वजन थोड़ा सा हल्का होता है and it can flow up. And that type of the gases are the hydrogen gas or the helium gas. हम अक्सर गुब्बारे देखते हैं ना कि जिसमें ब्लो करते हैं तो वो सारे गुब्बारे जो है वो ऊपर छत से जाके जो है वो चिपक जाते हैं, और या फिर अगर हम उसको बाहर एयर में छोड़े, फिजा में छोड़े तो इट कैन फ्लाई अप. सो दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ द एयर gas that is present in that type of the balloon is the hydrogen gas and the helium gas. Okay, so we can say that the balloon also having the air inside it. And there is another question, there is another object in my hand. This is the box, this is the empty box. What do you think? It is empty? It is full empty? There is nothing inside it? Yes or no? This is a question for you and you have to search this question and you have to answer this question, okay, whether the empty boxes or the empty glass having anything inside it or not. Okay, so till here we have discussed about the matter, that is what anything which has the mass and it can occupy space, and everything around us is the matter, and the matter having the three states: solid, liquid and gas. And all the solid, liquid and the gases having the different properties. If we talk about the simplest one, that the solid having the definite shape and the definite volume, that's why that is so much hard. And the liquids having the definite volume only and they do not having the definite shape. Okay, and then if we talk about the gas do not having the definite shape and not even the definite volume. Okay, now we have discussed about the different types of the gases that are present around us. If we talk about the air, in air there are the different mixture of the gases. For example, we have discussed about oxygen gas, or carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen, argon, helium, hydrogen gas. There are the carbon monoxide gas. There are many others, and we are not discussing all of them. We only focused a few of them. Okay. And if we discuss the most important जो हमारी body से related है, that is the oxygen gas and the carbon dioxide. And if we talk about the oxygen gas, we inhale oxygen gas, and in return जो exhale हम करते हैं gas, that is carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So if we inhale oxygen gas, from where we can get that oxygen gas? Have you any idea about it? Excellent. That is oxygen we are getting from plants. We are getting oxygen from plants, and the plants are taking carbon dioxide that is present in our environment. And that environment which is very much polluted also nowadays, and that carbon dioxide is taken by the plants in order to make their food by the process of photosynthesis. And if they will not take the carbon dioxide, they can't able to make their food. So unfortunately now we are cutting down the trees in a large amount. That is very harmful for us, for our earth, our beloved earth, that is slowly and gradually becoming so hot. And because of that the temperature of the earth is also increasing, which can causes the global warming, and it having many side effects of the global warming, and we will suffer a lot in the future if we will not consider it positively. Okay, so we have to grow more and more trees in order to make our earth pleasant and calm and fresh, so it can give more oxygen to us and we can feel good. Okay, so if you will remember that there are some plants that having the seeds, and sometimes that seeds are moving here and there with the movement of the air or the wind, isn't it? Yes, that is they are the seeds. Sometimes the seeds are also moving with the help of the air that having the gases in it. So the movement of the air also help the seeds to disperse or move from one place to another place to grow in the different places. Okay. So I hope so the topic is very much clear to you. That are the gases around us. There are the many different gases, where there is one more important gas, that is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is very harmful gas, and that can be exhaust from the vehicles. There are the different harmful gases that can be released from the vehicles, that are the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, that is very harmful, and that can cause the pollution cause the air pollution. Okay, and this is all from the topic, and now we will move towards our homework, and also I will give one activity to you, and for that activity I am showing you some you can say that some things you need. That you need the two balloons. One is blown properly and the one is not blown. So yeah, and then after these two balloons, you having any stick or you having any ruler, and you have to hang these two balloons, and you have to do this activity to prove that which type of the balloon having the air in it and having the weight, or you have to prove that both of the balloon having the same weight, or both of the balloon are same or not. Okay, this is one activity that you have to perform in the at your home, and you also have to do some questions. Okay. Okay, the questions are that you have to do. The first one is define the term wind. Define the term wind. The next question is name some of the gases present in the air. The next is the activity. You have to take two balloons, blow one of them and tie it with a coat hanger. Now tie another balloon. Now tie another balloon with a coat hanger. Which hasn't been blown up. Now you have to answer waves, more and why. Okay, these are the questions, and you have one activity. The first question is that you have to define the term wind. Wind is actually the air that is the moving air. When the air is moving here and there in a fastly, that is called wind. When you are moving in your car and you will move see outside from your window, you are feeling the air. That is actually the moving air. Okay. So name some of the gases present in the air. We have already discussed in detail about the different type of the gases that are present in the air. Are the oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, neon, argon. There are many different types of the gases that are present in the air. In the last, you have to do an activity that you have to take the two balloons. One you have to blow up, and the second one you has not to blow that balloon. You have to tie both of the balloon with a coat hanger. जो हैंगर हम इस घर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं कोट हैंग करने के लिए, उसमें आप टाई करें, and then you have to hold the hanger and you have to check it which type of the balloon has the more weight, and and which type of the balloon having the more weight and why that having the more weight. You have to answer it while performing the activity. You can write it in a form of the in 2 to 3 lines that I have performed an activity. You can also draw the diagram of it, and you can write down that I have performed an activity, and from the activity I have concluded that this conclusion you have to write in your own words, and in the conclusion you have to write what you have concluded from the experiment. Okay, I will not tell you the answer of it. So that's all from my side. I hope you have understand the topic very well, and that's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.